Hey guys, do you want to look cute this Halloween? If so, continue watching on how I created the Wounded Artist. Woo! So done. I'm at Office Works at the moment, trying to find the right brush. So many options. Just getting like a larger one and cutting it down. I'm kind of worried about cutting these brushes. This one will be harder because it's thicker, but then that might be better to stick it. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Like, I could just use an old brush that I've already used and like broken. But like, I kind of want to buy a new one. Too many options. Okay, so sorry for that. I can't help it. Sorry. This is how I think I'm gonna wear it because I want to get stabbed. I want to be stabbed here by my brush. But because I'm thinking of doing it here, because then that's like least movement. So, dot. Really like. There we go. Need to get a better pen. It needs to be cut on like an angle. Hashtag art. I have no idea how this is gonna go. This should be fun. Okay. This is really old, so I mean, good luck to me. I don't know what sort of axe to use. Do we even have sandpaper? Ugh, this looks mean. Guess we'll see. Ow. Is that really dumb? See how this. Guys, this is not good. Ooh, maybe this one. How do they teach me wood tech? Down with the grain. I'm doing it, guys. Yes. Done. It's like perfect. That is what I'm gonna do. That's gonna go with my spot. That's gonna go very nicely. And then this. Oh, shit, she got stuck. I'm gonna sew my top to this top so it stays down because it's gonna be cold. Cool. Looks fine. Looks good. Yes! I think my dog ate my prosthetic. That's fine. I'll use cotton wool and latex, spirit gum, sports tape. Will be sweet, will be sweet. Now I'm going to attempt to attach my weapons. So I think I'm going to go on this side of my head. Some spirit gum here from an old... Keep going out of camera. Ooh, got that reflective light on me. Ooh, I'm so happy with that. Look at that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna latex this up. Oh, it still sticks. Good smell. I'm making sort of like a pocket. I don't know, I'm making like a pocket so that you can pull at it. It looks just like this nasty looking thing coming out of my head. It's my eyebrow, it's my eyebrow. I put the spirit gum on. Now I'm putting on sports tape again just to anchor it down. Alright, cool. Ooh, looking bigger than I thought, but it's fine. Oh no, it's all getting stuck. Looks good, looks really dead and gross. So I'm gonna start with this one and then work my way down to this one. So I'm just gonna do like my regular sort of makeup look. Beauty guru. No. Put on like a light base of foundation to help blend it all out. I feel like I really didn't change anything about this, but anyway, at least that's on. Now, I'm gonna get one of these brushes. I've got one of these wheels. I've had for ages. This is like grease paint, I'm pretty sure. Just make it a bit darker on my hairline, I think. Oh, that looks a bit nasty, doesn't it? This will be mostly covered up by blood anyway, so we're just like mapping out sort of where we want darker, where we want red, and lipstick that's like really dark. It's like 107 by Rimmel, and I like to use this as well because it's a really good red shade. I think that looks really good. I think I'm gonna put my concealer on now. So this section now, I reckon we'll just, you want to put the dark bits in where you want to like sink in and have like really deep wounds. So putting a lot of dark obviously like around brush. It's like this little pocket here. It's like, get all in there, get that darkness. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just sort of going with what I feel. Hopefully it lasts. I'm going to use coagulated blood gel, which is like my favorite thing to use. Oh, look at this, ready? Do you see? Very happy with how this is looking so far. It looks so cool and gross. I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup now and then I'll come back. I've got the coagulated blood, I've got squirt blood, and I've got horror blood that's like really liquidy. Very different levels. Guess you just, oh yeah. Is it gonna move? Hope I didn't scare you too much there, guys. So here are just some more clips of my outfit. My mum actually helped me film this, so shout out Vicky. Ooh, check out this special effects. Ooh, work it. Ooh, I bloody love this costume. So it's 5:30 a.m. at the moment. Smiley face. This is not what I want to be dealing with, but like it lasted so well. It looks so sick. I was so proud of this. It actually turned out so much better than I thought. I think this is one of my favourite costumes that I've done, which is saying a lot because I've done some pretty cool ones. I like don't even know how to go about doing this. Oh. This is just like... Oh, it's stuck to my hair. Oh, look at that. Look, even that just looks sick. The athletics tape though, that's a game changer. Oh shit, I'm getting blood everywhere. That looks scary. It was a good party. I had a fun time. Everyone voted me best dressed. Good beer go home, you know. So I'm gonna end the video here. It's now 5:40, so I am ready for bed. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you got some cool inspiration from it, maybe a bit of a different video. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I need to go to bed. Like and subscribe, do all that fun stuff, show some love.